SOLIDWORKS 2024 introduces a new feature, Sketch Dimension Previews, enhancing the efficiency of sketch definition. When selecting sketch entities, a smart dimension preview appears, offering a quick preview of the dimension for that selection. Clicking on the preview automatically generates the smart dimension, while clicking away prevents dimension creation and removes the preview. For multiple entity selections, additional dimension options like angular or diameter dimensions are displayed. With our sketch now fully defined, let's explore another impressive enhancement. In SOLIDWORKS 2024, defining the position of hole wizard holes is simpler than ever. After selecting the hole type, we move to the Position tab to specify their location. A new feature in SOLIDWORKS 2024 allows us to choose Existing 2D Sketch. Holes are automatically positioned at the endpoints of the sketch segments, and we can include endpoints of construction geometry if needed. We can also skip some holes if we don't need them, which helps us arrange things just right. This crank arm serves as an excellent example to demonstrate an enhancement in linear patterns. We need to create a pattern of the triangular cutout in both directions. With SOLIDWORKS 2024, achieving this is easier than ever, courtesy of the new symmetric option. Continuing with the same part, let's explore another remarkable enhancement in SOLIDWORKS 2024, this time focusing on the Untrim Surface feature. We already have an exterior surface established, which includes the triangular cutout. When utilizing the Untrim feature, SOLIDWORKS 2024 now offers the Exclude Parent Surface option. With this enabled, the surface is generated to cover the opening independently, rather than being merged with the parent geometry, resulting in separate bodies.